Today we're looking at two-digit scramble. Two-digit scramble is a card game, and I'm looking to use these cards to make two-digit numbers. And I'm trying to get closest to a multiple of 10, to the nearest benchmark. So I went with 58 there, yeah. All right, here I could have made 41, but I already had a number in that spot, so I had to use it in the 14, even though it wasn't the best choice. 67 would be better, but I already had something in the 60s. All right, ooh, 51, can't use it there, so I can't use it 15, so I just can't use it. I skip that one and try to make another number. I already had the 49, so I'm making 94. In this game, a king is a 0. Oh, look, there comes one. All right. I don't know why I didn't choose to make 30 there. Hindsight's 20/20, you know? All right, because see, that 30 would have been a lot better there than the 35. So there's my 20. Ooh, that was a good lucky last draw. So now I'm determining how far the number I made is, excuse me, no I'm not. I'm determining the closest benchmark, the nearest benchmark. Basically like a precursor of rounding. We're not calling it rounding, but it's getting students ready for that. Now I'm determining the difference between the number I made and the nearest benchmark, the nearest multiple of 10. And so after I've done that, then I'm going to find the sum of all the differences. So you can see here I'm looking for, using some strategies, looking for groups of 10. And so the score I have is 28. Now my opponent had already played, and my opponent was me. Hello, who am I kidding? And I got a score of 29. So 28 is the winner. Lowest score wins in two-digit scramble. Now this is just a variation of two-digit scramble that students can play by themselves. Still doing the same thing, you're making a number. But instead of making it a competition, it's just some practice. Write it in expanded form and then express it another way. And you can scramble them if you need to. I don't know why I did that. I think I was still in the zone of trying to get closest benchmark. But it's just something to work on, you know, creating numbers, expanding them, and then coming up with another way to express those two-digit numbers. The only time it would be necessary to scramble is if you already had a number in that spot. But that's two-digit scramble solo.